When the weather turns chilly and the days slow down, there's nothing better than getting a little snuggly. This is my newest fabric collection, Snuggly, a warm, soft gathering of peachy oranges, rosy blushes, and muted greens, inspired by quiet afternoons, cozy socks, and that first sip of coffee under a quilt. Inside the collection, you'll find sweet little prints like Morning Nap, Cozy Toes, Fave Stripe, and Get Your Knit On, all designed to capture the comfort of home. Whether you're sewing a winter quilt or just curling up in your sewing room with a cup of tea, these fabrics were made to wrap you in warmth. Snuggly, coming soon from Southern Charm Quilts and Meander and Make, made for the season of soft stitches and slow moments. Now let's take a look at all the individual fabrics and the quilt kits we'll be offering with this collection.